Unwrapping the Flavor, a squeeze of lemon. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very flavorful phrase, a squeeze of lemon. Whether you're a budding chef, a language enthusiast, or just curious, stick around as we unpack the meaning, usage, and the zest this phrase adds to the English language. At its core, a squeeze of lemon refers to the act of pressing a lemon to extract its juice, usually done by hand or with a juicer. This action releases the lemon's tangy juice, which is often used to add flavor to food and drinks. It's a simple, yet vivid imagery that conjures the sourness and freshness of lemon, enhancing the taste of whatever it's added to. Interestingly, a squeeze of lemon can also have a metaphorical meaning in English. It might describe adding a bit of zest or a refreshing twist to a situation, conversation, or even a piece of writing. Just like a real squeeze of lemon can transform a dish or a drink, a metaphorical squeeze of lemon can add vibrancy or a new perspective to something that might otherwise seem ordinary or bland. You'll often find this phrase in culinary contexts, where recipes or cooking shows describe adding a squeeze of lemon to enhance flavors. But it's not just limited to the kitchen. In everyday language, it might be used to describe anything that adds a bit of spark or liveliness. For example, someone might say, adding a bit of humor is like adding a squeeze of lemon to a speech, illustrating how a small, lively element can make a big difference. In some cultures, lemons and their juice are symbolic of life's challenges and the idea of turning something sour into something desirable. Much like the saying, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Thus, a squeeze of lemon can also subtly hint at the idea of making the best out of a challenging situation or adding a positive spin to something negative. And there we have it, a deeper look into a squeeze of lemon, and how it flavors both our language and our lives. Whether you're using it literally in the kitchen or metaphorically to add some zest to your conversations, this phrase is a wonderful reminder of how small touches can make a big difference. We hope you found this exploration refreshing and insightful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty tidbits on the English language. See you in the next video.